Hey friends, welcome back to LifeFuel Kitchen. I'm your name, and today I'm sharing 10 quick and healthy recipes anyone can make. These are easy, delicious, and packed with nutrients, perfect for busy days when you still want to eat well. Let's get started. Recipe 1. Overnight oats, 2 minutes prep. Ingredients: 1/2 cup rolled oats, 1/2 cup milk of choice, 1 TBSP chia seeds, 1 teaspoon honey or maple syrup. Toppings: berries, nuts. Instructions: mix oats, milk, chia seeds, and honey in a jar. Refrigerate overnight. In the morning, add toppings and enjoy. Recipe 2. Avocado toast. Upgrade ingredients: 1 slice whole grain bread, 1/2 avocado, 4-5 cherry tomatoes, 1 TBSP feta, drizzle olive oil. Instructions: toast bread, smash avocado on top, add sliced cherry tomatoes, sprinkle feta, drizzle olive oil. Recipe 3. Veggie omelette wrap. Ingredients: 2 eggs, spinach, bell peppers, 1 whole grain tortilla. Instructions: whisk eggs, cook with veggies in a pan, fold into a tortilla for a protein-packed wrap. Recipe 4. 1 pan veggie stir. Fry ingredients: broccoli, carrots, bell peppers, garlic, 2 TBSP soy sauce, 1 teaspoon sesame oil, cooked brown rice, quinoa. Instructions: stir-fry veggies with garlic, add soy sauce plus sesame oil. Serve over rice or quinoa. Recipe 5. 5-minute Greek yogurt bowl. Ingredients: 1 cup Greek yogurt, 1 TBSP honey, handful granola, fresh fruit. Instructions: layer yogurt, drizzle honey, sprinkle granola, top with fruit. Recipe 6. Salmon and veggie sheet pan dinner. Ingredients: salmon fillet, zucchini, cherry tomatoes, olive oil, lemon, herbs. Instructions: place salmon plus veggies on a baking tray. Drizzle olive oil plus lemon, season with herbs. Bake at 200 degrees Celsius, 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. Recipe 7. Hummus veggie wrap ingredients: whole grain tortilla, 2 TBSP hummus, cucumber, spinach, grated carrots. Instructions: spread hummus on tortilla, add veggies, roll it up for a quick grab-and-go lunch. Recipe 8. Quick quinoa salad ingredients: cooked quinoa, cucumber, cherry tomatoes, chickpeas, olive oil, lemon juice. Instructions: toss quinoa with veggies plus chickpeas. Drizzle olive oil plus lemon juice. Serve cold or room temp. Recipe 9. Banana peanut butter smoothie. Ingredients: 1 banana, 1 TBSP peanut butter, 1 cup milk of choice, handful of spinach, optional. Instructions: blend everything until smooth for a creamy, energy-boosting drink. Recipe 10. Dark chocolate energy bites. Ingredients: 1 cup oats, 1/2 cup peanut butter, 2 TBSP honey, 2 TBSP dark chocolate chips. Instructions: mix all ingredients, roll into bite-sized balls, refrigerate for 20 minutes. And that's it. 10 quick and healthy recipes anyone can make. Eating well doesn't have to be complicated, and these recipes prove it. Which one are you going to try first? Comment below, I'd love to hear. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss more healthy inspiration here on LifeFuel Kitchen. Remember, eat well, live well, and fuel your life one bite at a time. See you in the next video.